FlyEnv includes a Numa service. Find Numa in the service sidebar. Open version to browse the available Numa builds. Choose a build and start installation. Configuration keeps local Numa settings visible. Installation progress is shown in the same window. Installed builds appear in service with their local paths. Start Numa with the service control. The Log tab confirms the local process and endpoints. Open the browser dashboard when the service is ready. Check uptime, memory, and activity at a glance. Scroll to manage local services, overrides, and blocking rules. Back in FlyEnv, switch between installed versions whenever you need to. Both versions remain available as native local services. Use the menu bar to toggle Numa without reopening the main window.